Thank you so much for judging.
We're so blessed by volunteers like you who are willing to listen to us. NCFCA offers 3 categories with 10 individual events that challenge students to develop fundamental communication skills.
You can learn about the different events in a separate video available on the Speech Judge Orientation page of our website.
In tournaments, these 10 speech events are divided into 2 patterns, A and B. Each pattern happens at a different time on the schedule and offers about half of the events. You can find out which events are in each pattern from our online postings.
After registering to judge, there is no preparation required. When you arrive, the staff will be excited to greet you and walk you through everything you need to know. They can help you learn about events, pick a ballot, find reference materials, conquer the technology and devices required, and answer any questions about completing a ballot.
Whether in person or online, the tournament staff is happy to help with any questions along the way. When you get to the room, you can expect at least 2 other judges to be there with you. You will enjoy up to 8 speakers assigned to your room. And in between those speakers, you will have a few minutes between each speech to make notes and transition to the next speaker. When the round is finished, you will exit the competition room. Then, take time to complete and review your feedback and rankings before submitting the ballots. Our tournament administration will also let you know when they hope to have ballots completed for the round. If you can honor that deadline, it helps us keep the tournament running on time.
If you need help at any point, you can contact tournament administration.
At in-person tournaments, look for a communications team member near your room. They'll have a green name tag insert. At online tournaments, change the room status to Need Help, or use the Contact Tournament Administration button.
Although you won't use your phone during the round, be sure to monitor it for any contact from tournament representatives.
You are not expected to know the rules. A parent head judge will be assigned to every round, and they will know the rules. You should also know that as competitors, we're not supposed to engage in conversation with our judges during the speech round, aside from introducing ourselves when we enter the room. We can't take questions or respond to interruptions within our speaking time.
But we do appreciate seeing natural reactions on your faces as you listen to us. Please don't record the round or take photos of competitors during the round.
We also ask that you do not confer with your fellow judges about the round. We value a variety of opinions and assessments, and we want judges to decide what they think of each speech independent of one another.
Any questions can be directed to tournament administration. Rankings and feedback should also be kept confidential during the tournament. We will receive our ballots with your feedback at the end of the tournament.
We're relying on you for 2 main tasks in each speech round, providing feedback and ranking our speeches.
Here are some tips you can think about as you consider each speech.
For feedback, you can use your ballots as a framework for judging each speech. Feel free to type as much as you want as you go along. You will have time to edit your comments before you submit them, and it can be easy to forget your thoughts from the beginning of the round once you've reached the last speaker. Don't feel that you need to agree with everything we say,
But please try to offer a fair assessment of our speaking skills and how well we present our points. Keep in mind that some students are younger than they appear and may be competing in one of their first tournaments. We hope you'll be honest with us and give us constructive ideas for improvement, but we also hope you'll be kind to us and our fellow competitors.
In addition to giving us feedback, you'll be asked to rank our ballots from top to bottom. We know that can be hard, but we appreciate your willingness to be honest and fair.
Ranking is simply comparing each speaker to the other speakers in the same room. You can adjust your ranks between each speech while the last one is fresh in your mind.
You will still have the option to re-rank and edit up until you submit the ballots. One thing we ask is that you offer us as much information as you can about the rank you gave us. We hope you enjoy the rounds you plan to judge, and we want you to know how much we appreciate the fact that you are willing to listen to us.
If you also will be judging debate, you'll want to view our separate debate judge videos. Thank you.